Okay, so this video is going to be a little different from my normal ones. It's going to be the same basis. I'm going to be showing you a weapon and then shooting at targets. But the only thing that makes it different is this weapon shoots bullets. See, bullet, shell, and the weapon is the GSG-5 SD. And this weapon they don't make anymore. It's a 22 LR. They don't make it because they had a lawsuit with Heckler & Koch because it was an exact replica of the MP5n. Now, safety and fire selection, since it's civilian, is semi-fire weapon. So safety's right here. Slip it into fire. Very simple. Now, to bolts, shells eject right here. So basically, to lock it into place, you'd put your magazine in right there, and then you'd see your bolt right there, and you pull down the bolt right here, pull it down to the left, that launches up, and that locks that into place. Now, I want to fire this, so we're going to fire it right now. We have two targets, well, multiple, but two main ones. We have a cluster right here of cans and water bottles, and then we have one right here. I'm going to shoot 3 rounds at this one, and then we're going to shoot the rest at these targets. Shoot 3 at that, and then 10 rounds are going to go into that, just for fun. So this should be good. Should be very enjoyable. Should be a lot cooler than my normal ones because this time it has gunpowder. Safety first. So, first shot I missed because I was very high. Second shot I knocked the cap off. And the third shot, well, the second shot hit here and knocked the cap off. The third shot hit right here and split it open. So that thing punched straight through. This is a lot more powerful than my pellet guns because this is projectiles bigger and it's going faster. So now we're gonna fire 10 rounds into this. I only have a 10 round clip, so we're going to fire a full 10 round clip into it, target. But they do make 22 round clips, they make 5 round clips, and they make actually 50 and 100 round drums. So, main target. Little technical difficulty. Shooting 9 rounds, and then the 10th one will come next. Well, I think it's very obvious why this weapon is better than a pellet gun. Simply because of sheer power. I mean, say you shoot a pellet gun, you miss. Sure, pellet gun, with the ones that I was showing you, those pellet guns I showed you are a lot more accurate, but this thing, you don't even need accuracy because of the amount of lead that you're putting down range at one time. Well, thank you for watching, and definitely there will be more guns to come.